After years in court, the long-awaited Google antitrust ruling finally landed. The case centered on whether Google's deals with phone makers and browsers, paying billions to be the default search engine, illegally locked up distribution and shut out competition. The court ultimately said Google has to stop some exclusivity deals and share certain data. But the ruling didn't touch on the real moat. Google's scale, its massive distribution, and those default positions, that's still intact. And that's why this case is historic, not because it broke new ground, but because it shows how modern antitrust works, or doesn't work. Regulators spent years litigating, and the outcome was a handful of tweaks that actually legitimized the status quo. The court essentially blessed Google's core business model. And here's the other layer. This case dragged on for so long that by the time the ruling came out, the market had already shifted. AI search is here. OpenAI with ChatGPT, Anthropic, Perplexity AI, they're all reimagining how people search. The problem litigators were fighting is yesterday's problem. Antitrust today isn't about breaking up monopolies. It's about running out the clock until technology makes case irrelevant. So what's the lesson for startups? Don't count on regulators to create your distribution. Build as if incumbents will win every trial, because most of the time they will. If you're waiting for a judge to level the playing field, you're already behind. Look at Perplexity AI. They're not waiting for courts to block Google. They're competing by changing the product experience itself. Answers, not links. OpenAI is integrating directly into platforms like Microsoft. These companies are proving that the real disruption comes from technology shifts, not from regulators. Even antitrust experts are split. Some argue the case shows regulators can at least chip away at big tech's dominance. Others say it proves enforcement has become toothless. That years of litigation ended with Google's model still basically blessed. And if the case had wrapped up years earlier, before AI reshaped the market, the outcome would have been harsher. Timing changed everything. Should founders build around legal remedies, or build around where the market is going? The answer is clear. Law is slower than code. Betting on antitrust hasn't turned out well. The winners are the ones who build despite the incumbents, not the ones who are waiting for a court to save them.